Want to speak English confidently? Speak. Learn, practice, improve. Speak English confidently every day. Let's speak English together.
I wake up early. Good morning. How are you today? I am fine. I make my bed. It looks nice. I need some water. Here you go. I brush my teeth. Very good. I wash my face. That feels fresh. Where is my towel? It is on the chair. I am getting ready. Take your time. What do you want for breakfast? I want some eggs. I am making toast. That smells good. Do you want coffee? Yes, please. Can I sit here? Of course. What time is it? It is 8 o'clock. I need to go now. Have a nice day. Where are my keys? They are on the table. I am leaving home. See you later. I am waiting for the bus. The bus is coming. Is this seat free? Yes, it is. How is your day? It is going well. I am at work now. Good luck. I need a break. Let's have coffee. Do you like this place? Yes, I do. What are you reading? I am reading a book. Can you help me? Sure. I need some milk. Let's go shopping. Where is the supermarket? It is nearby. I am buying fruit. That looks fresh. How much is this? It is $5. Thank you. You are welcome. I am hungry. Let's eat lunch. I would like a sandwich. Good choice. Can I have some water? Yes, of course. This food is good. I like it too. What do you do? I am a student. Where do you live? I live in the city. Do you like English? Yes, I love it. I study every day. That's great. What is your hobby? I like reading. Do you exercise? Yes, every week. I am going to the gym. Have fun. I need to buy shoes. Let's check the store. Can I try these on? Sure. These shoes fit well. They look nice. I am walking home. The weather is nice. Look at the sky. It is beautiful. Do you want tea? Yes, thank you. I am cooking dinner. Can I help? Please cut the vegetables. No problem. Dinner is ready. Let's eat. This tastes good. I am glad you like it. I am washing the dishes. Thank you for helping. What are you watching? I am watching a movie. Do you like this movie? Yes, it is interesting. I need to clean my room. I can help you. Please fold these clothes. Okay. The room looks clean. Good job. I am checking my phone. Do you have a message? Yes, from my friend. That's nice. Would you like to go outside? Yes, let's go. I am walking in the park. It is peaceful here. Look at those flowers. They are beautiful. Can you take a photo? Sure. I like this picture. It looks great. Let's sit on the bench. Good idea. Do you want ice cream? Yes, please. What flavor do you like? Chocolate. I need to visit the bank. Let's go together. Please wait here. Okay. I am finished now. Great. I need to buy a gift. For whom? For my friend. That's thoughtful. Do you like this gift? Yes, it looks nice. I am going home now. Drive safely. Welcome home. Thank you. How was your day? It was good. I am a little tired. You should relax. Let's drink some tea. Sounds good. What are your plans tomorrow? I have class tomorrow. I need to finish my homework. Good luck. I am learning English. You are doing well. Can we practice together? Of course. Please speak slowly. Okay, I will. I understand now. Excellent. What time do you sleep? At 10 o'clock. I am getting sleepy. Me too. I need to charge my phone. The charger is there. Everything is ready for tomorrow. That's great. Good night. See you tomorrow.